chiseled from ancient bedrock, gouged by glaciers, over 450 million years in the making. The relentless power and awe-inspiring beauty of nature. Niagara. Experience the world-famous falls. Up close. Up high. Down below. Downstream. Then explore. Hike the Niagara Escarpment, designated by the United Nations as a World Biosphere Reserve. Trek the Bruce Trail, Canada's longest and oldest hiking trail. Off-road bike in Short Hills Provincial Park. Float, sail, paddle, and cast a line in 2 Great Lakes, or the mighty river that joins them. Enjoy the sun, fun, and white sand beaches of Canada's South Shore at Lake Erie's Crystal Beach, Nickel Beach, and Sherkston Shores. Unwind on the Niagara River Recreation Trail, along what Sir Winston Churchill once called the prettiest Sunday afternoon drive in the world. Go full circle on the Greater Niagara Circle Route, featuring a 3-meter-wide paved pathway leading from lake to lake, with outstanding views all along the way. Like to explore the great outdoors? Naturally, Niagara.